Ready?
There's a key hanging up in the shed.
Oh, fuck you. Stand. You fucker. Here. Stay right here. Try to get away from me.
Well,
They
Chris
should
talked to
yeah,
Cena.
that's
I figured she would have told him that I was with them.
Ready? Go.
Yeah. All right, well, I'll eat it. Where you gonna drop? One more foot in the woods. Yes. Okay. That's long enough. All right, I'm gonna get off the phone now because you're acting like mom. Said where? Goodbye. Goodbye. No, you're not talking.
I don't fucking know.
Show me what you did to this and why. Tell me why.
This is how you fix the Xbox 360 when you have a disc reading problem. You spend 50 bucks to replace the disc reader. You put it all together, you waste fucking 2 hours of your life, and then this is what happens when it doesn't work again. You get pissed off, you take your Glock, and you shoot the shit out of it. That's what you do.